Today we have a micro program. So we are going to explore how to calculate the gross margin for a company. This works for any company. So the first thing you need to do is declare a couple of variables. The first one will be the revenue, the second one will be the cost, and this represent the incomes of the company. This represent the cost of the materials, mainly direct costs, and we are going to formulate a couple of variables. So to calculate the total income or revenue will be the sum of the revenue. Total cost will be the sum of the costs. After that, we are going to calculate the gross margin. Its formula, its revenue minus cost. With that, we will be able to calculate also the gross margin percentage, and the formula is gross margin divided by a total revenue multiplied by 100, because this is a percentage. The outcomes will be the total of revenue, total cost, our gross margin, and the percentage of gross margin. With those outcomes, we will be able to see if our business is good or it isn't. At first seeing, it's not definitely, because you have to take into account other expenses and other things that we are not going to see here. But well, this is the main idea, as a very simple exercise, how to, if you are interested in coding and finance at the same time. We are going to run the code. And this is the revenue. This is your total cost. This is your gross margin. And this is the percentage of your gross margin. In this case, it depends of the industry in you are working. This can be good or it isn't. So there is not a right or wrong answer.